no, hyaluronic. Greetings, Earthlings. First things first, look at this coat. Oh my goodness. I got this from Forever 21. It was originally $118, and I think I spent like $55 on sale, and I'm obsessed with it. Like, Cruella de Vil vibes, right? She's my favorite Disney villain, and this is, like, it's really long too, and it's incredibly furry. Like, there's like little particles of fur floating everywhere. Anyway, that's not why I'm here. I'm here today to talk about the March Boxy Luxe from BoxyCharm. The Boxy Luxe is like a more expensive BoxyCharm box that comes out like every season, and I want to say it's like twice the amount of money of the regular BoxyCharm. I got the December one as well, but I didn't film it because I used a lot of the products to give away for Christmas, and I didn't want to spoil them. So a lot of the stuff I am wearing today. So let's start with that. Actually, no. I'm going to be lazy. We're not going to start with that because I have the other products stacked on top. So first, we will start with this. It came with the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream Anti-Aging Armor Rejuvenating Concentrate. I love a lot of products by IT Cosmetics, and I love how long they make the names of everything. This I'm hesitant to try because it doesn't say that it's oil-free, therefore it's probably not, and I have the worst skin, like ever. Like, breakouts galore, and so I'm not sure if I want to use this or not. For all skin types, it says that it does all kinds of stuff. Let's see.
Super ceramide complex, peptide infused collagen
hyaluronic. I went to college, okay? I got this.
Hyaluronic acid, antioxidant rich, colloidal oatmeal, quick absorbing, hypoallergenic, and allergy tested. Developed with plastic surgeons. It's okay for even the most sensitive skin types.
The Pure. Okay, I'm not going to read that anymore because I'm feeling really stupid. This is, how much is this? This is $48, and I want to say the box was like $56, so there's a lot there already. Then we have Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. I have not tried this yet. I have so many different masks open, and honestly, I don't know what any of them do for my skin. If anything, they're making my skin worse, so I'm hesitant to use it. This is worth $34.
It says it's a blend of skin-loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extracts.
Clearer, brighter complexion. I'll have to try that at some point. I don't know about right now. And then it came with these brushes by Moda, powder and soft glow, excellent for wet and dry product, waterproof, metallic handle, sturdy aluminum, professional quality fibers. I forgot that these were in the box when I did my makeup today, so I haven't tried them, but I did actually use, did I use Moda brushes today? I think I did. These, I'm pretty sure you can find at Walmart. They're by Royal and Langnickel. This says that these were $29.99. Ooh, it's really soft too. I wish I would have remembered to use these today. This is an interesting looking brush. Look at that. I think it's for highlighting. $30 is really steep for that. Okay, then it came with this little tote. Clearly I have not even opened it yet. I have so many little bags. Ooh, look at this one though. Wow, this was BoxyCharm Traincase, $20. Exclusive BoxyCharm Cosmetics case. It's spacious and extremely chic for glam on the go. It is pretty. I'll give it that. Alright, so on to the products that I did try today. It came with the iconic London what is this called? Sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion. I had never used a product like this before. It comes with this cute little angled brush and spoolie, and then like you open it up and there's like 2 different shades in there. I used the darker one. It's not horrible. Like, I actually kind of like it. I need more practice to get used to it though. Like, this eyebrow like really strayed away from what it was supposed to look like. I usually use eyebrow pencils, but this was a really cool product. I've never used any kind of cushion product actually, and this is $40? That's a lot of money. Ooh. And then it came with this really nice Morphe eyeshadow palette. This is the, let's see, 15 shade Artistry palette. It was only $16, but it's very high quality and really pretty. The packaging is really nice too, like it's really sturdy, and it has a beautiful mirror. The pigments, like these eyeshadows are really pretty. I rarely ever use powder eyeshadows. I always use like the Butter London Glaze and eyeglasses and stuff, and they blended really nice and they were so smooth. I used this shade on my lid. This is called Talent. They're all very pretty. I used this one like in the outer corner. Oh, that didn't swatch super nicely, did it? Well, it went on nicely. This palette's not bad for $16, and I really like the colors too. I wish there were some lighter transition shades, because I went for kind of a deep look today, which I wasn't planning on, but it's still really pretty and I really like it. And then it also came with this. I've talked about before how I love face palettes because they're just like a grab and go kind of product. This one by CoverFX, I already got it all dirty. Do you see that? White packaging. Really? This is $45. It comes with comes with 2 highlighters, a blush, a contour, a finishing powder, and a brightener. I'm not entirely sure what it means by brightener. I didn't use it today because I don't know what to do with it. But ooh, that's pretty. But I did use the contour shade. It wasn't as blendable as I would have liked it to have been. I used this blush. It was pretty. And then I used this highlighter. I think this is more of like a pinky shade. That eyeshadow's not coming off my fingers very well. I want to say this one's more pinky while this one's more gold toned, but I could be wrong because I really didn't swatch anything. Wait, I already forgot which ones I swatched, but that one's definitely darker. And then the finishing powder, I kind of put a little bit under my eyes because I wasn't sure what else to do with it. Oh my goodness, look how dirty. Look, this even got more dirty. Oh my goodness. We only have one more makeup product. This is a Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love in the shade Mocha. The packaging is really nice. I like it, and it's a really pretty color. I am wearing it right now. It's quite creamy. I'm not a big fan of creamy lipsticks, but look how pigmented that is. It's really pretty, and I like it. Oh no, I got a fur on it. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Get it off, get it off. Oh, gross. My fingernails. It came with this little duo by Deborah Lippmann. It comes with Oh Donna and Modern Love. Modern Love is more of a matte mauve shade, and then Oh Donna is like a metallic, a little bit of a warmer shade. I have the matte shade on my fingers and then the other shade as accent whatevers, you know what I'm talking about. They're really pretty. They were pretty opaque in one coat, but I added 2 just to be safe. And then the last thing that it came with is a pair of Lily lashes. These are limited edition Faux Mink. I never wear lashes, ever, but these are really pretty. I could wear them if I wanted to. I just don't want to. The lashes are $25 and the nail polish is $20 and the lipstick is $24? I feel like that's really expensive, even for a high-end lipstick. $24? That's crazy. Oh well. Well, that is the end of this video. Do you want a close-up on my eyeshadow. Do you? Do you? Here, let's do that real quick. The colors in that palette are really pretty and they blended really well. I've had it on for like 2 hours now, so they still look okay. Yeah, I did my makeup and then I started playing, I think it's called YouTuber Life. It's a video game on the Xbox, and like you're a YouTuber and you make videos and stuff. I was really disappointed that you couldn't be a beauty YouTuber, so I became a gaming YouTuber, and I already have like 4,000 followers. Yeah, let's get there on this channel, please. But that is the end of this video. I would calculate how much it was all worth, but I don't know where I put my phone, and that's my calculator. So I will probably put how much the whole thing was worth down below. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, please. I love you. Have a good day. Bye.